Welcome po sa lahat and thank you for joining this very important video regarding the price action of Bitcoin. Ngayon ay pag-aaralan po natin ang Bitcoin technical analysis using different time frames and different scenarios. At bago po tayo magsimula, ako po si Roel Santos. Please don't forget to subscribe kung kayo po ay naghahanap ng Tagalog na technical analysis ng Bitcoin. So here we are. So by looking at the 4-hour time frame, as you can see po, Bitcoin has flipped bullish and it has broken the descending channel, and additionally the Williams alligator is also flipping bullish. As you can see, the green line is about to cross up the blue line. It means that the price action of Bitcoin is turning bullish. Kung makikita niyo po dito sa example, dito sa taas, wherein the green line is above the red and the blue line, the price of Bitcoin went up when it comes to 4-hour time frame. As we stated earlier in our previous video, ang Bitcoin po has formed a bear flag pattern, and supposedly if we measure the target of this pattern, it should be around $50,000, and so far it has reached $52,300, and as of now it has reached $56,488 at the time of this video. Kung makikita nyo po, ang price of Bitcoin has formed a descending channel, and descending channel is usually it is a bullish pattern, and the price target of this is the above of this channel, which is around 64 or 65,000. So let's hope that this is not a fake out, because if this is a fake out, then we might fall from this channel and hit the bottom of this descending channel, which is around 51,000. So let's look at the daily time frame. Currently, kung makikita po natin, ang Bitcoin is still in range bound from the bull flag pattern. It's about to break out from this descending channel. So let's watch out, for this price central pivot, which will be the next target, and resistance, which is around 57,894 for the month of September. And if this will continue, then we may reach with the price target of the R1 line as of September, which is around $66,677. So our current support here is the previous S1 low for the month of August, which is around 55,431. So this will be our next support and resistance for this month of September. As of now, S1 line target has not reached yet, around 50,179. And as you can see from our MACD, it's about to flip bullish. Kung makikita niyo po dito sa ating previous example, ang MACD po natin dito, when the blue line crossed up the orange line, then the trend is bullish. So if this will materialize, if the MACD turns green, then maybe this is an indication that the price objective of this pattern is the top of this channel, which is around 63,978 or even higher. And as you can see from the stochastic RSI, the blue line has already crossed up the yellow line, and this is a bullish continuation. Additionally, kung makikita nyo po dito sa ating chart, nag-bounce po yung price ng Bitcoin dito sa trend line na to. So tatanggalin natin tong mga lines natin dito para makita natin na mas maliwanag. Ayan. So kung makikita po natin, parang nagsilbi po na support itong trend line na ito sa Bitcoin, kung kaya makikita natin na nag-bounce siya from here. Probably this is an indication that the price of Bitcoin is about to turn bullish for the month of September, as we can see from the stochastic RSI and then the MACD, where it's about to turn bullish. So kung titingnan po natin yung 2 months time frame, as we mentioned earlier in our video, the stochastic RSI is about to turn bearish, wherein the yellow line has crossed up the blue line. So kung makikita nyo po sa previous bull run cycle natin noong 2020 and 2021, yan, nakita po natin dito somewhere on May 2021, the yellow line has already crossed up the blue line, and it is the start of the downward continuation. Just a quick reference po regarding sa stochastic RSI, it goes to a range of 0 to 100. 100 means we have reached already the top of the momentum, and 0 means it is the lowest momentum. So when we say 100, we should be taking into consideration selling our profits already, and when it turns 0, then that's the time that we should be buying Bitcoin, especially when we see the blue line cross up the yellow line. So ang tanong po natin dito, meron pa po bang itataas ang Bitcoin? Well, kung magpa-play out po yung ating bull flag pattern. Ang ating target po dito, kung i-measure natin from the bottom of this pole, our price target is around $83,000 if the bull flag pattern will play out. And I think this is the only catalyst, and maybe this will be the highest price that the Bitcoin will reach for 2024 and 2025 bull run. This is just my assumption. We will look at the 2-month stochastic RSI, wherein it says that we do not have more momentum to drive the price up of Bitcoin. So maybe if the bull flag will play out, we can reach up to $83,000. So let's look at the Gaussian channel indicator. As you can see, doon sa green line na po na ito, it means that we are still bullish. When the Gaussian channel turns red, then I think the start of the downtrend. Currently, we are still bullish, and as soon as we flip red, then that's gonna be the start of the bear market. So, kung titingnan po natin dito, i-measure natin kung hanggang kailan magiging bullish ang price action ng Bitcoin. Meron tayong 80 bars from here. Then if we will measure from here, yan. So, ang bull run natin is expected until April 2025. Kung i-kukumpara natin the previous bull run cycle, that is as per the Gaussian channel. So, I think the bull run is not yet over. So, there's still a chance, for Bitcoin to drive its price up until 82,000, which is the price objective of this bull flag pattern. So, let's look at the current fear and greed index. It is currently 26. Yesterday it's 29. So investors are still in extreme fear. At para po sa mga bago, bakit po natin mini-measure ang fear and greed index? Kasi po sa crypto market, the behavior is very emotional, and people tend to get greedy when the market is rising, which result in FOMO, or fear of missing out. And people often sell their coins in irrational reaction of seeing red numbers. So we measure the fear greed index to save the emotional overreactions of people with two simple assumptions. When we are in extreme fear, it can be a sign that investors are too worried, and that could be a buying opportunity. While investors are getting too greedy, that means that the market is due for correction. So this is all I can say for today. Kung nagustuhan niyo po ang aking video and gusto niyo po ng update regarding the price action of Bitcoin with its short term and then long term, then please subscribe to my channel for more update. Once again, Roel Santos signing out. See you next time.